How are you all? Fine, right? Yes. Are you happy in this morning? Yes. Did you have your breakfast? Good. Now, what are you doing in your home? Did you listen the last class? Did you do the homework what I have done? Yes, can you remember that? I have drawn my family. Did you all paste or draw your family in your book? Yes, good. Now, can you remember last class what we have studied? We have learned about our family, father, mother, siblings, then about what type of family in which we are living. For example, small family, large family and joint family. Can you remember this? Yes, good. Now, today we are going to deal with an interesting topic, healthy habits. Do you know what is habit? Yes. A thing we are doing in a daily basis is called a habit, we can say. For example, when we get up, we brush in the morning, correct? That is a habit. Then next, we eat breakfast, we take bath. These are all our daily habits, right? Yes. Now, here we are going to learn something about healthy habits. What is health? Yes. We should not have any disease. We should live a healthy life. If you are living without any disease, we are healthy. To live a healthy life, what and all habits we should have? That is our today's class. Okay? Come, let's learn some healthy habits. In order to have a healthy life, we should keep ourselves clean. Some habits to keep ourselves clean are brushing teeth twice a day, bathing every day with soap and water, washing hair with shampoo to keep it clean, washing hand before and after our food, trimming nails with nail cutter. These are some of the clean habits. Now, how many of you follow these habits? How many of you like to keep yourself clean? We all like to keep ourselves clean, right? So, to keep ourselves clean, we should follow some of the habits. That is, while you get up, you have to brush. Before going to bed, you have to brush. You have to brush how many times a day? Yeah, twice a day. Then, every day you should bath. How many of you have the habit of taking bath every day? Yes, very good. We have to take bath every day with soap and water. The third one is washing our hair. Our hair has many dirts, oils, etc. We have to wash regularly with shampoo. Okay? Next, the fourth one is before and after you are eating. Lunch you have to eat means before eating and after you finish your lunch, you have to wash your hands. Next is trimming nails with nail cutter. This is very, very important because we have nails and nails has many dirts. If you eat with that hand, the dirt will go inside your stomach. It will become a trouble for us. it will cause many diseases. We cannot be healthy. So, these are all the some of the cleaning habits. Some more habits we can say. Come on, you say some habits. Yes, one of the important habits is after and before eating, we are washing our hands, right? After using toilet, we have to wash our hands. Then any more clean habits you know? Yeah, good. Now we can repeat the habits we should follow to keep ourselves clean are brushing teeth twice a day, bathing every day, washing hair with shampoo, washing hands before and after food, trimming nails with nail cutter, washing our hands after the use of toilet, etc. We have many other habits to keep ourselves clean. Next is healthy habits. What are healthy habits? What are the habits we should follow to keep ourselves healthy? That is, we should be free of any diseases. No diseases should come near to us. So, we can learn some healthy habits, okay, to keep ourselves healthy. Now, come on. Eating fresh food on time. What does this mean? Fresh foods we have to eat. How many of you have refrigerators in your home? We all have, right? How many of you eat what is kept in the refrigerator as such? Very bad habit. We should not use any food items that is not fresh. We have to buy it fresh. We have to eat, or cooking also. We have to cook freshly and we have to eat. We have to eat on time. In the school you will eat while the bell rings. In home also, breakfast, lunch, dinner, you have to eat on time. While we eat fresh foods on time, it is a healthy habit. The next healthy habit is sleep 8 or 9 hours per day. You all like sleeping? Usually, which time you will sleep? 9 o'clock? 10 o'clock? I used to sleep by 10 o'clock. So, we have to sleep 8 hours per day. When we sleep 8 hours per day, it was a healthy habit. The third one is drink plenty of clean water every day. We know that we all should drink water, but that water should be clean. No dirt should be there. It should be boiled to kill the unwanted microorganisms. Okay? So, we have to drink plenty of water. Plenty means we have to drink more water. That also the water should be clean. We have to drink clean water and we have to drink plenty of water. If we drink plenty of clean water, that becomes a healthy habit. Next one is maintain good posture. Now see this word posture. Did you know the meaning of this word posture? No, right? The word posture means position. Okay? While we are reading, we have to sit straight and study our lessons. The good posture is a healthy habit. While we sleep, we have to sleep in a proper position. While we are doing some work, for that work, what position is fit, we have to choose that position. Now, posture is a position. Now, while you lie down and read your book, some bones will get stuck here. So, posture is useful in maintaining good bone health. Okay? So, maintain good posture. It's a healthy habit. Now, did you understand what are the healthy habits? The habits we should follow to make ourselves healthy. That is, no diseases should attack. That are called healthy habits. Here we have learned some of the healthy habits. Come on, let's repeat. Eating fresh food on time. Sleeping 8 or 9 hours per day. Drinking plenty of clean water every day. Maintaining good posture. Did you understand? Yeah. Now, shall we play a game? You're all interested in playing games? Yes. Before playing that game, you have to know about 2 words. One is good habit. Another one is bad habit. We can say, what is this good habits? Habits that makes us clean or healthy are called good habits. That is trimming our nails. If we cut our nails, yes, we can be healthy. That is a good habit. Same way, the habits that make us unhealthy or dirt are called bad habits. Did you understand? Now, say an example for bad habit. Not washing the hand before food. Not drinking plenty of water. Not sleeping for 8 or 9 hours per day. These are all some bad habits. Now, what is our game is, I will say some habits. You have to find whether it is a good habit or a bad habit. Did you understand? I will say the name of some habits. You have to find it's a good habit or bad habit. If it's a good habit, you have to say yes. If it is a bad habit, you have to say no. Did you understand? Shall we start? If you feel it is a good habit, you have to say yes. If you feel it is a bad habit, you have to say no. Come, let's play. The first one is biting our nails. Is it good or bad? Yeah, it's bad. So, we have to say no. Next is brushing our teeth twice a day. Yeah, it's good habit. Yes. Next, washing our clothes after we use. Yeah, it's good habit. You have to say yes. Next is fighting with your sister or brother. We have to say no, because it is a bad habit. Next is bathing every day with soap and water. Yes, it's good habit, right? You have to say yes. Next habit is trimming our nails. Yes, because it is a good habit. Next one is washing our hands before and after food. It is good habit, right? So you have to say yes. Did you all enjoy the game? Did you all like this game? Yeah, good. And today in our class, we have learned a new word called posture, right? I said posture is the position we should follow while doing works, while standing, sitting, studying, sleeping. Now we can see some examples of good posture. Now listen this image. Here it shows how we should stand. We have to stand straight without bending our back. Did you see how he is standing? They have given a green tick, right? That is the correct position to stand. Now, how we should sit or how we should study? While we study, our back should be straight. Now, how we should sleep? Yes, did you see? Using pillows is wrong. You have to sleep without using pillows straightly. Did you all get? Good. I hope you all understood today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.